Hey friends, welcome back to my Auto MT channel. Today we're counting down the top 3 best Casio picks you can grab on Amazon right now. From a sleek 61-key portable to a compact kids board and a value-packed premium bundle. I'll cover each product's name, must-know specs, typical price range, the biggest pros and cons, and how shoppers are rating them. Ready? Let's go. 1. Casio CT S1 Casiotone 61-key portable keyboard. Product name Casio CT S1. Key features and specs: a 61 full-size touch-sensitive keyboard with IK sound engine, stereo speakers, USB MIDI, 1-button recorder, and a retro, lightweight design made for jamming anywhere, strap pins and battery power and portability. Current pricing: commonly listed around $199 to $229 depending on seller and color, a mid-range portable price. Pros: great balance of sound quality, portability, and style, solid learning tools, and a surprisingly rich piano voice for the size. Cons: non-weighted keys, so not a substitute for an 88-key stage piano, and limited back-end features for pro studio work. Review ratings: well received by buyers and retailers, generally high ratings and positive reviews praising tone and portability. 2. Casio CT S300 Premium Keyboard Pack includes headphones, stand, and power supply. Product name Casio CT S300 Premium Pack on Amazon. Key features and specs: 61 touch-responsive keys, 400 tones, and 77 rhythms. Dance music mode, USB MIDI connectivity, built-in speakers, and bundled accessories. Stand, headphones, power adapter, in the Premium Pack. Current pricing: the Premium Pack is frequently offered around $200 to $220 on Amazon. Bundle price shown on the product page. Pros: exceptional starter bundle value, everything you need to set up and play right away. Strong onboard sounds and mobile features. App support and Amazon reviews rate the pack highly. Cons: still a 61-key non-weighted board, not for advanced piano technique, and bundled accessories are entry-level. Upgrade them later if you get serious. Review ratings: strong customer approval on the Amazon listing, with many users calling the bundle a great beginner package. 3. Casio Casiotone SA51 32-key mini keyboard. Product name Casio Casiotone SA51. Key features and specs: compact 32 mini keys for small hands, built-in tones, rhythms, and demo songs, simple LCD, battery or adapter power, and headphone output, designed as a first keyboard or travel toy. Current pricing: ultra budget, typically around $40 to $60 depending on seller and promotions. Pros: brilliant inexpensive starter for kids and absolute beginners, very portable and easy to use, with fun rhythms and learning features. Cons: tiny mini keys and very limited range, not suitable for long-term classical piano study, and build materials are basic. Review ratings: popular for its target audience and consistently rated well for value and kid-friendly design. There you have it, CT S1 for portable performance and style, CT S300 Premium Pack for the best starter bundle, and SA51 is the cutest budget beginner keyboard. Links in the description to check the exact bundle options and live prices. Which one would you try first?